made it to our river rafting spot. What's it called? River Rider?
River Riders.
We had to wait 10 more minutes and then we're gonna be on the river.
In Leavenworth.
See ya.
Rides on it. You say helicopter rides as a little landing pad and a little spire and stuff. So that's your first marker to start moving to the right side of the river. So it's on the left side, you're moving to the right side of the river, okay? You don't have to like get out of the river, start climbing up into the bushes or anything like that. You just kind of have to, you know, set yourself up a little early so you're not having to paddle too much at the end.
So as Charlie was saying, you don't have to wear the life jackets. You just gotta keep them in the raft with you.
Okay.
They have the links to link them all together.
Yeah.
And then take out, she told you to second orange cone. Definitely stop and take a while. You have the tubes for 2 hours.
Found a friend, Andrea.
So, it's not my dog, huh? It's a lot like you, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
No, you're gonna want it to go like this. Austin, you're gonna want it to flap out. So yeah, do it like this. And then, do you see like a little? So make sure your deal's like done to where we're not like, okay, so like you're gonna put your legs probably out the side like this.
We'll be back to back.
You don't have to be back to back, you just have to situate it to a hoe. You know it.
Here, I'll get it last.
Well, big butt over there is like dragging ass. I gotta step on this one. Or else I'm not gonna be able to get in. I'm gonna do this.
And then you lean right down like that. It's a big stomach. Just making sure you don't.
Okay.
You ready?
No. We still gotta push off your car.
We'll be fine.
Here, I'll push this off.
There we go. We're going.
Are we getting somewhere? Barely.
Don't booty bump us, so we'll go. Okay, we're good. We're almost to the...
Mom's got the music going. I unhooked from them. Yeah, we're going fast now. I'm gonna have to paddle my way. You're gonna hit the rock. Yeah, it's getting pretty fast over here. I'm kind of scared. Are we gonna go to the right or the left? Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Oh! right. We made it to the little beach.
Sandbar.
The sandbar.
Surf City, baby.
Go swim around, Dre.
Let's go. All right, I gotta go. See you later.
Yeah. Said there was a snake?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
No. I don't trust snakes that don't swim.
That's sketchy.
You gonna swim, Dre?
I'm scared. Okay. Hey, he's got a GoPro.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it. Oh.
Not the same one. The other one was darker yesterday.
Yeah, that's what I thought. It was all one color.
Yeah.
There's this great. Your name's Mariah?
Loraya.
Oh, Loraya. Let's go.
Oh, you guys are crazy. I'm gonna get in, but not as far as those guys are going. Go, Dre, go! Oh.